So there it is. Those are my 6, but actually 7 revenue boosting tactics every Amazon influencer needs this Q4. Strategies 1 to 7, plan ahead with a Q4 content calendar. Okay. Number 2, make sure you optimize your Amazon influencer storefront. This is critical for Q4. Definitely be leveraging those offsite platforms. Pick one, right? Pick one that you're not already doing and commit to doing it for Q4 and see what kind of results you get. Number 4 is interpret your analytics and make data-driven decisions. This is so incredibly important if you want to work smarter and not harder, and you don't have 8 to 10 hours a day every single day to do this. You have to interpret your analytics and work off of that data so you can continue earning without having to work all day, every day. Collaborating with brands for sponsored content and partnerships is a huge opportunity for Q4, especially for those brands that are doing new product launches and need that influencer content. Number 6 is earning more with creator connections campaigns. This should probably have been number 1 because it's probably the most important and the easiest way to earn more money over Q4. So definitely dive into creator connections if you haven't already. And number 7 is join a community or mastermind so that you can be a part of something that is bigger than you, but also people that are doing what you're doing, whether they're ahead of you or behind you, they can still help you and support you and keep you motivated along the way. So now that you've got the strategies, but I do know from experience, because I've been doing this for a very long time, that there is a big difference between influencers who think about doing this and people who actually do the thing. So I want to invite people that want to actually do the thing and cash in big this Q4. So I created this amazing program, which is going to have a proven roadmap, accountability, support. And so I'm super excited to announce that we are launching a Q4 Earnings Accelerator. This is our brand new mastermind. It's just for Amazon creators. It's just for you who are watching this presentation right now. And what it is, it's a 10-week small group coaching program. So we will be getting on calls every single week, and let me go through the structure here just so you know exactly what we're offering. But basically, the purpose is to, of course, boost your Q4 earnings. You get accountability, you get content planning, brand deal outreach, and so much more. So what do you actually get? You get 10 weeks of group coaching and strategy calls. So every single week, again, we'll be meeting. You'll get support, feedback, and every week we have a special topic training. So we're going to be talking about one strategy to increase your income. Plus, then you get an action challenge to complete that step that propels your Q4 goals to reality. And I'm going to show you guys every single week because we've already outlined every single week and what we're going to be talking about. But the important thing to remember too is that so all these strategies over this 10-week coaching program is they're very obviously relevant for Q4, but they're also strategies that you can take and apply throughout the entire year. So even though like we're doing this, do it during Q4, it's going to be information that's going to help you throughout your entire Amazon influencer journey, right? You'll get lifetime access to the content. So if you can't make a call, there's always call replays. You'll get templates, right? Even after the mastermind is ended, because it's for, just those 10 weeks. But every single week you'll get personalized support and feedback. This is a high touch, a lot of access to me. We'll be hanging out every single week. So you can join the calls or you can watch the replays later. But either way, because I know not every call will work for everybody who's in the mastermind, right? Everything will be recorded, but you'll also get an opportunity to submit questions ahead of time, which I think is really important because that is, that's how we learn, right? And so you'll get daily support answers and opportunities to collaborate with everybody else that's in the mastermind. Okay, so special bonuses. So on top of the 10-week mastermind, you're also going to get access to the crash course to Creator Connections Success. I talked about how I should have had Strategy 6, Creator Connections is Strategy 1 because it's so incredibly important. But when you sign up, you get access to this special masterclass where we walk through exactly how to find campaigns on Creator Connections, how to, again, work smarter and not harder. How can you land these increased commissions and brand deals? And again, it's all step by step. So that's a very comprehensive training you'll get. You'll also get the 2025 full social media planning calendar and the 2026 one, which is not out, but it usually comes out right like the end of October. So it'll still be during our 10-week mastermind, but you'll also get access to the full calendar from this year and then also the full calendar for next year, which is very similar to what you guys received today as a free gift. You'll also get your creator profile featured on a Friday live stream. So if you guys join Friday live streams, I know a lot of you guys do here, you will get your profile featured on there. I might even have you come on as a guest because we will be hanging out every single week and I'll be getting to know you very well. So I'll be asking everyone who joins the mastermind if they want to participate in a live stream, or you don't have to participate and we can simply just feature your profile, whether it's your YouTube or your Amazon or anything like that. And then everyone who joins also will get a surprise special gift sent in the mail from me to you. So I can't tell you what it is. You have to join in order to get it, but you'll also get a free gift. Okay. So the curriculum, so basically it's 10 weeks and I've listed out all the 10 weeks and the topics that we'll be talking about. So if any of these topics resonate with you, or if all of these topics resonate with you, you may want to come and join. But basically, we'll talk about goal setting, which is super important to just kick off Q4, because if we don't have goals, how can we reach them, right? How much do you want to earn? How much content can you create? How many hours every week do you have to do that? What platforms should you be posting on? Really, how can you make the most money in the shortest amount of time, right? And then week 2, we're going to talk about content planning and creation. Week 3 is focused on creator connections campaigns. Week 4, brand deal outreach. And we also have brands that we've partnered with directly that hopefully we can partner some of you guys with. Week 5, we're talking about analytics and how to really utilize that. Week 6 is product research. I'm going to show you exactly how to find all the right products to make sure that every time you create content for a product, it's going to at least make you your money back if you had to buy it. Week 7 is all about Amazon storefront optimizations. Week 8 is how to earn with offsite opportunities. Week 9, we're going to talk about live streaming. And week 10 is our mastermind wrap up. And so the time period from this, because it is live, this is our Q4 mastermind. It's all happening. It starts October 6th. And then for the 10 weeks, we'll be going through December 12th. So that's why there is a, there is a timeline on here. So you have to get in before we start. So what you're going to get, 10 weekly small group coaching. We talked about that, specialized trainings for each of those 10 topics. Basically what it's going to look like is the first 20 minutes. We're going to be talking about news and updates of the week, because there's always fun and exciting things that go on, news and updates for the week. And then we're going to be getting into the topic training, and then we'll do Q&A. So we kind of have like 3 parts of every one of these small group coaching calls. But you'll get personalized feedback also throughout the week as well. So if you have questions or want feedback on something, you can post it and I'll go in and comment. The community will go in and comment. You'll also get personalized support and feedback from me, the community, templates, scripts, opportunities to grow your network, and of course, lifetime access to the mastermind content. Total value is almost $9,000, but that's a crazy amount of money to spend on anything, really. So we've priced it at $14.97 if you pay in full. I realize that's not a small price point, but we've also made sure that there is a weekly payment option, so that if it's more feasible for people, then you can do the weekly payment. So there's the QR code, there's the link. It's KathleenKobel.com/Q4Master. So I put it in there as well. Bonuses for joining today. Of course, we just talked about this. You get the crash course to creator connections, the full social media content planning calendar for this week or this year and next year, right? So you'll get it for next year as well. Your creator profile featured on a Friday live stream, and a special surprise gift. Let's see here. I'll make sure that I answer these questions. Yes, thank you. Doug and Nikki said, I don't see any way that if someone follows the steps, they don't earn $14.97 in the next 6 months. Seems like a no-brainer. Thank you, guys. I completely agree. I think you all can earn double that through creator connections in the next 3 months. I really, really do. Thank you, guys. I always appreciate your kindness and your support. But just a couple of quick questions that may have come up, or if you guys have questions about the program or anything else, feel free to throw them in the chat. When are the group calls? The group calls are going to be held every Wednesday, starting October 8th through December 10th. That's our 10-week calendar. Some will be during the day and some will be during the evening, so that we can kind of attempt to accommodate people who are available during the day and the evening. But if I can't make a live call, all the calls are recorded. There will be a replay, and you will also get not only an email reminder, but a submission form. So if you have questions that you want answered and you can't make the call that week, we will answer your questions, right? So it's always going to be worth your while every week, whether you can make it or not. Is this the same as the Influence and Earn program? No, this is a brand new mastermind group coaching program designed to help you learn the strategies you need to maximize your earnings this holiday season. The Influence and Earn program is more of a self-guided. We do have monthly Q&A calls. Actually, we have one next week. So yes, we do those the last Tuesday of every month. So you can still, if you're like, I don't know about this mastermind, it seems like too much, you can always join the Influence and Earn program. We are doing a promotion during this time to where we're offering the 50% off. So it's $497 for lifetime access of Influence and Earn, and you can still get a ton of, that's what a lot of you guys are already in Influence and Earn. But that is more of a self-guided training. And then you also have a community, though, to support you and ask questions. And we do monthly calls with that as well. So a little bit different, but that's $497. So if you want to, you can pay in full for $14.97, or weekly. You do 10 installments of $197 a week if that is like more feasible for everyone here. So yes, come and join me if you would like to. These are some quick testimonials from Brandon. Said it's the most close-knit community I've ever been a part of in terms of question and answer. People are always looking to help out where they can. I think one of the things I'm most excited about with the mastermind is just being able to connect with people and like having that accountability that helps keep me going and keep me motivated to not only keep creating content, but like improve what I already have. And just like, it's very helpful when you surround yourself with people that are doing what you're doing and have the same goals as you, right? So we've got lots of amazing testimonials. There's people on here who have earned tons of money from learning from, whether it's my YouTube videos or the Influence and Earn program. Anna increased her earnings by 100% after she joined Influence and Earn. Katie said that Influence and Earn has been an amazing resource. Now, this is the first time we're doing the mastermind, but we will be we'll be going a lot deeper on the weekly topics than we do like during these open live streams and things like that. So Sarah said she'd already purchased a course, but she wished she would have found mine first. The ongoing support and community is absolutely priceless. So the mastermind is ongoing support and community, like to the extreme, right? So, and Melissa said, Kathleen's course is a game changer. Her deep knowledge and genuine support makes it easy to follow and incredibly valuable. So even as an established influencer, I gain new insights and strategies to grow. Highly recommend. So lots and lots of amazing things that everyone has to say about Influence and Earn. So I would love to invite you guys to join the mastermind with me. You can also join Influence and Earn. We have it on sale for $497 basically for the promo period of while we're doing this. And here's all the information here. If you are more on the newer side, or if you're just like, I don't know if I can invest in the mastermind, Influence and Earn is my signature program. I just added some new content that I'll email all the members about tomorrow, but we're still adding new content. We're still doing our monthly calls. We are still having our private group there. And so if Influence and Earn is a better opportunity for you, you can always check that out. That is $497, and you can find that at that link right there. All right. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in there. If you purchase the mastermind and you're not already in Influence and Earn, I will get you access because I just have to add you on the back end. So, but I will also set that up so that it's easy for people to join and get access to all of that. All right. My goal is to help as many people as possible through Q4, through meeting every week and through coaching and training and getting a community of like-minded, supportive people all around us as a whole. So